welcome to Nigeria. So I told you guys the next video that I will make is going to be me in Nigeria in front of those land. So this is one of the land. So right there. So that one right there starts all the way from there. From there, and it goes all the way down there. All the way down there, and it goes all the way to the back. All the way to the back. So there's a farm right next to it on that side, and this is your view. So that's your view. So there's a road. This road was recently done. Like I said, it's rural. Look at the mess, but that's what you get. That's what it is. So that's the view. There's a water down there. There's a river down there, not too far from it. So I'll take you guys there. So yeah. So this is it. This is all part of it. All part of it. And yeah, I want to show you guys the river. So that's bamboo. In Africa, I don't know about other parts of the world, but whenever you see bamboo, just know there's a river close by or stream close by. So it's right there. There's a structure there, and you see the river? I told you guys. There's a stream right there. It's a tiny little stream. You see it? Little tiny stream flows from there. Still part of the land, by the way. And on this other side, it flows that way. So you see it? And that's still part of it. All right. So ẹ káàárọ̀ báwo ni báwo ni ṣe iṣẹ́ lọ.
Mo ti ní mo fẹ́ rí yín tẹ́lẹ̀.
Pẹ̀lú kí ni iṣẹ́.
Ní irọ́ níbi fáàmù wa oko dáàdì mi ni ẹ sanwó fún gbẹ̀yìn tí iṣu.
Iṣu àwọn Fúlàní tó wà.
Oko mo fẹ́ tọrọ ojú ọ̀nà láti máa lọ mú iṣu tèmi jáde.
Ó máa lọ sí.
Kò sí ojú ọ̀nà ráǹdì báyìí, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ bá mi kọ̀ tí ojú ọ̀nà díẹ̀ láti lọ kó fáàmù. Àwọn ọmọọṣẹ́ tèmi ó wà ní fáàmù mi ní.
Bá a ti ṣe fence, ṣé o mọ̀ pé a ti ṣe fence?
Òun náà ni mo fẹ́ níbi fence yẹn díẹ̀ máa dá padà. Máa ṣe.
Ok. Ṣé o máa bá Fatai sọ̀rọ̀ náà? O máa bá manager sọ̀rọ̀? Tó bá ti dé site, padà wá.
Mo ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ nọ́mbà gan manager náà, mi ò rí ẹni tó
manager wá site. Tó bá ti dé site, manager sọ̀rọ̀.
Ọ̀dà mo ti gbọ́. Orí àbúrò mi yẹn ó wà ní fáàmù nísìn lọ́dọ̀ mi náà. Mo fẹ́ máa kó iṣu yẹn jáde.
Ok. Bá manager sọ̀rọ̀, ó máa pè mí lórí fún. Ok. Ẹ kúṣẹ́. Yeah, so those are some people that have their farm on the other side of they have their farm on the other side of Nature Wonderland farm. So they were asking if we can grant them access to harvest their stuff. So told him to speak to the manager, and then if he speaks to the manager, then we'll see what we can do to grant them access. But yeah, so this is it. You've seen it. If you have questions, leave us a comment, and as always, we'll be happy to answer. All right, so this is it. One last view, and that's the view on this side. That's it. So next, I'll take you guys to the other one. Next, I'll be taking you guys to the other one. And I like the views, the hills and the valleys, the mountains, the fresh air. No one's bothering you, you're just there doing your thing. Like I said, there's a farm right there. Kusha, is Dr. Peter around? No. He's not around? Okay. Well, has he been coming? Is he still the one managing the farm? You know Dr. Peter, right? Yeah. Okay. Olusojo. Okay, so you have a new manager now? Okay. How's everything going? It's growing. I'm seeing the palms are growing. The last time I came, they were smaller.
Yeah, they are growing.
They are growing. You people put organic manure, right?
Yeah, organic.
Okay. And it's 2.5 years. This is the Tenera variety, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's good. And your farm goes all the way to the back. All the way to the back there. That's good. Thank you, eh? All right. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, if you have, it's hot, so this is it's hot, but it's nice, feels good. So if you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer it. Purchasing is easy. We offer a deed of assignment. It can be done the same day. So the part that takes time, like we've said on this page, is the registration, registering the survey. So that takes around 2 to 3 weeks, and that's something the surveyor takes care of. But yeah, if you have any questions, let us know. We will be happy to answer. We look forward to working with you. We look forward to helping you guys own land in Nigeria. All right, I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.